Hey Monopoly Go fans, new to Monopoly Go and not sure how it works? No worries. Today I'll show you how to play Monopoly Go step by step. Let's get rolling. The game is simple. Tap the dice and roll. Your token moves around the board just like classic Monopoly. When you land on properties, you will collect them and start building landmarks. The more landmarks you build, the more reward and cash you will earn. Land on railroad space and you get to attack other player's landmark or go on a bank heist to steal their cash. It's super fun, but make sure to have shells to protect your own city too. And participate in events, complete daily goals, and spin the wheels. This is how you will collect sticker packs, dice roll, and tons of cash. And last, don't forget your sticker album. Collect sticker from packs and finish it for huge reward and sometime even special sale or dice. Now tell me what's your favorite parts of Monopoly Go: building, attacking, or collecting sticker? Drop it in the comment below. And that's how you play Monopoly Go. It's simple. Roll, collect, attack, build, and have some fun. If this helps, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Monopoly Go tips.